Hello, my name is Michael Stars. I'm a plumbing lecturer at Newham College. Plumbing is a trade that is vital for everyone's day-to-day living and health. An industry at the centre of green and renewable sector and technology, of course. We put many demands on plumbing systems in our houses, at work and elsewhere as we wash and clean ourselves, prepare and cook food, keep ourselves warm, clean and healthy in the modern world, including the removal of waste products that we produce. The profound skill shortage we have in the UK is a great opportunity to learn skills that will be needed to gain meaningful employment over a considerable amount of years. The City and Guilds plumbing course is a tried and tested method to gain meaningful employment in the construction industry. Newham College has Level 1 courses, the 7202, and Level 2 courses in plumbing, the 6035. Level 1 is where you learn the basic skills, and Level 2 is designed more towards those people that have plumbing experience and skills that they have already learned. The underpinning knowledge allows the learner to achieve an NBQ, which is a more industry recognised qualification. Gaining qualifications is a crucial aspect for people in the construction industry to gain the CSCS card, which allows access to working on major projects and sites in the UK. Theory and practical knowledge are vital to the overall understanding and skills needed to forge a career in the plumbing industry. Feeling comfortable and at ease and yet being inspired is crucial to learning, and we endeavour to ensure this environment is there for all students. Pipe fitting is a trade very much in demand, and there's a very big skill shortage too in the UK, and has fantastic opportunities for people that are interested. Plumbing can be a vehicle to gain a fulfilling career, as I can vouch for, and there are many and numerous opportunities for those who are inspired and feel that this is the career choice for them. For more information on the course, please visit the college website.